Welcome to the IT Source YouTube channel. In this video I will show how to reset a password in Windows 11 without any third-party programs. We set a password and forgot it. Now let's try to change it. First, open the Advanced Startup Options menu. Press and hold the Shift key, then click Restart with your mouse. In Advanced Startup Options, open the Troubleshoot tab, then Advanced Options, and launch the command prompt. Use the command prompt to open Notepad. In Notepad, click File and then Open. Navigate to the C drive, then the Windows folder, and finally System32. For some, the drive letter may be different. In that case, look for the local drive containing the Windows folder. Select all file types. Find the utilman file and rename it to utilman2. You may see that the file name hasn't visually changed, but this is only temporary. We will verify it later. Now, find the CMD file and rename it to utilman. Let's refresh the page and make sure the file changes have been applied. All good, the changes have been applied. Close all windows and start Windows. In the lower right corner, click Accessibility, and the command prompt window will open. Type the command Control User Passwords 2 and press Enter. Select the user and click Reset Password. Enter a new password and repeat it in the lower field. Save the changes and verify. As a result, we logged into the system with the new password. Thank you for watching. Support the channel by liking the video and subscribing.